911, what's happening?
Please help. My husband suddenly fell down and he's not responding.
Okay, stay calm. Is he still breathing?
Barely. It's really slow. I'm scared.
I understand. Don't move him. Just check if his chest is rising.
Yes, a little bit.
Good. Keep watching that. Do you know if he has any medical problems?
Yes, he's been taking medicine for his heart.
All right. Where are you right now?
I'm at 11 Wilson Street, in front of the cake shop.
Got it. Paramedics are on their way right now.
Please tell them to hurry.
They're close. Stay on the phone with me.
Okay. I'm holding his hand. He's still breathing, but slowly.
That's fine. Keep talking to him until help arrives.
I'm trying. His eyes are closed. He's not responding to my voice.
That's okay. Just keep speaking gently. Let him hear you.
I'm telling him I'm here. I don't know what else to do.
You're doing great. Has his breathing changed?
It's still slow. But steady.
That's a good sign. Help is almost there.
I hear footsteps. I think they're here.
Perfect. Let the paramedics take over. You've done everything right.
Thank you so much. I was so scared.
You stayed calm and helped him. That's what matters.